Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to hard refresh Safari on your iPhone, so you can reload a web page without using cached data and ensure you are seeing the most up-to-date content. Unlike desktop Safari, iPhone doesn't have a one-tap, hard refresh. Here's what actually works. First, let's look at the basic refresh method. Open the Safari app on your iPhone and go to any website. To refresh the page, you can tap the reload icon in the address bar, or simply pull down on the page. This is the quickest way to reload a site, but keep in mind that it may still use cached data, so it is not always a true hard refresh. Now, for a more effective method, you can force a true hard refresh by clearing Safari's cache. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Inside Safari Settings, tap on Clear History and Website Data, then confirm your choice. After that, reopen Safari and load the website again. This forces the browser to load everything fresh, making it the closest method to a hard refresh like Ctrl plus F5 on desktop. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the DelfStack channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Another quick workaround is to use private browsing mode. Open Safari, switch to a private tab, and then visit the website. Private mode does not use stored cache in the same way, so the page loads more freshly compared to a normal tab. These methods give you different ways to refresh web pages depending on your situation, whether you need a quick reload or a complete refresh without cached data. That's it. You have successfully learned how to hard refresh Safari on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.